mo na,
You don't
Kap.
need my forgiveness.
Okay, kunin mo na, Kap. Ayan, oh, ito.
Yeah, but I'm
Kunin
sorry
mo na
about
to,
what I
Kap.
said and how I told you.
na pula, boss Jo.
So forgive me for that.
1.5 nga lang, boss Jo, kayang-kaya. Bagong-bago. Ikaw palang makaka-virgin ka.
Bagong version, Kap.
Okay.
Sabrina 3.
If you need me to forgive you for something, then sure, I forgive you.
Boss Joel. 8.5 Kap, sakto.
8.5 sakto, boss Jo.
Tapos pula, di ba?
Thanks.
Sabi mo, ito ka
Pula
ba?
pa.
Kunin mo na ito ni Boss Jo. Ayan, oh.
And
Pusa.
just a reminder, you spent a whole year tied to a machine doing chemo.
Kala niyo din.
Okay.
No one should make you feel like you have to beg or feel
Sige
guilty.
po.
Or
Boss
ask
Joel.
permission.
Ayan na, oh, dali.
Ayan na siya.
Kunin mo na, Kap. Ayan na, oh. Boss Joel ko, oh. Boss Joel.
Ano dyan? Kabilang, ano na, linaw na yan.
Boss